Alright, we got the 05 Scion TC manual swap going on. Got everything in, got the transmission in, got everything. That's all my parts for my thing in there. So when you start the car, when you turn the car over, well, first of all, when you hop in the car, you see the doors open. See that symbol? That's the only symbol you see. Everything else is locked down. Boom. You go, I wonder who that was. And then, after that, when you turn the key, you hit a button from this fuse box right here. Right here. Boom. That's in the engine bay right outside the battery. So what you want to do is you want to come right here and make sure that you got that ground on that starter. This is starter right here. The ground going to be like right back here. They're going to have two bolts on the manual transmission. They got a bolt right there. You can't see, it's dark as fuck. They got a bolt back there. You're going to have to make sure your bolt is grounded to the transmission and not grounded to this chassis, because they already have a ground on the chassis. It's like right here, under here, right here is a little screw. Then they got a big screw that's ground to the transmission. You got to have it ground to the transmission because it's a bigger gauge, I feel like. This one is a small, this one is grounded to like the frame of the car. So like I try to ground it again to the frame of the car, but you just like making a circuit. The circuit is kind of fucked up then. You're messing up the circuit. So you need to ground into the transmission. That's going to be a better ground. It's going to work after that. Y'all have a good day. I know I'm not the only person who had this problem, but the next person who had this problem, just change the grounds up, dog. Switch the grounds up and this should work after the 30th time. You know how Murphy's Law works. If it can't go wrong, it will.